for apple, so crunchy and sweet. B is for banana, a fun yellow treat. C is for carrot, it's good for your eyes. D is for dragon fruit, pink like the skies. E is for eggplant, so purple and cool. F is for fig, it's nature's sweet jewel. G is for grapes, purple, red, or green. So many colors, a fruity dream. A, B, C, sing with me. Fruits and veggies, healthy and free. Crunch and munch, big and small. Let's eat them all and grow so tall.
H is for honeydew, juicy and round. I is for Indian fig, grows in the ground. J is for jackfruit, big and so sweet. K is for kale, a leafy green treat. L is for lemon, so sour, oh wow. M is for mango, let's eat it now. N is for nutmeg, a spice we adore, adding flavor forevermore.
A, B, C, sing with me. Fruits and veggies, healthy and free. Crunch and munch, big and small. Let's eat them all and grow so tall.
O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for pineapple, a tropical delight. Q is for quince, it smells so nice. R is for radish, red and white spice. S is for strawberry, tiny and red. T is for tomato in salads or bread. U is for ugly fruit, a citrus surprise. V is for vanilla, a flavor so wise. W is for watermelon, juicy and cool. X is for tigua, it's melon too. Y is for yam, soft and so sweet. Z is for zucchini, a veggie we eat.